Alright, with the great Easter egg experiment, where I was hitting from the tee on this 142-yard par 3. The tee's back there. I don't know if you can see the white markers just to the left of the trees and back there. But the ball that ended up on the green with shortest is the Wilson. The other side of the green, about pin high, is the Bridgestone. Just short of that, to the right of it, is the Vision. And the one that actually went too long and through the green, which you probably have no trouble seeing, is the Cromax. We'll get up here and we'll hit some putts with it, trying to hear the difference in each ball. I'll probably hit them about 10 feet or so. Okay, we'll try to get this set up well we can see. Hopefully you can see and hear the sound. That's mostly what I want you to do, is hear the sound. I'll try to put the same stroke on all of them. Bridgestone. Push to the right, Wilson. Same shot. Cromax. Same thing. Vision. Hey, wonderful